Hey, my dears! Welcome to the Grammar Podcast. Put the seatbelt on and let's dive in.
We're going to learn how to talk about our daily lives. We'll learn exactly how to say when things happen. Now, I'm going to speak very clearly and very slowly so you can understand and learn every single word. Let's get started. What do you like to do on Sunday? Take a look at those highlighted words, like, to, and on. Well, by the end of this explainer, you'll know exactly how to answer this question. You're going to build complete, beautiful sentences using these exact words. Section 1. Prepositions of time. Words for when. So, let's start with our very first building blocks. These are short, simple words that tell us exactly when an action happens. Our first word is on. It's a tiny word, but it's absolutely crucial. We always use the word on when we're talking about days of the week. So, for example, you say, on Saturday, or on Wednesday. Let's read this example sentence together, nice and slow. I go to the shop on Tuesday. Notice that strong connection. The word on is used right before the day, Tuesday. Okay, let's look at our next time word. The word is in. We use in for parts of the day. This means longer times, like the morning, the afternoon, or the evening. Here's another example sentence. Let's read it carefully together. She studies English in the afternoon. Listen to how in attaches to the part of the day. In the afternoon. Right, our third word is at. We use the word at for exact clock times. If you look at a clock and it says 8 o'clock or 10:30 a.m. or midnight, you must use the word at. Let's read this exact clock time example. The bus arrives at 7:45 a.m. See that bright highlight on the word at? It points exactly to that specific time on the clock. Section 2. Talking about things you like. Preferences and routine. Now that we know our time words, we're going to add actions to them. We'll learn how to talk about the things that we really enjoy doing. Now, here is a very important rule in English. On the left, we say I, you, we, they like to. But on the right, when we talk about he, she, or it, we absolutely must add an S sound. He likes to. She likes to. Let's read this full example very slowly together. In the afternoon, she likes to drink tea at 4 o'clock. See how our time words in and at work perfectly with that S sound in likes? It makes one beautiful sentence. Section 3. Things you do not like, the negative form. We know how to say what we like, but we also need to know how to talk about things we do not enjoy doing. Look closely at the difference here. This is how we say no to an activity. For I, you, we, or they, we say don't like to. But for he, she, or it, we say doesn't like to. Let's read this negative example at a very slow pace. Please read with me. He doesn't like to cook on Monday. He doesn't like to. Pause. Section 4. Building complete sentences. Putting it all together. Okay, we're going to put all of our small pieces together to make long, full sentences. You can use this simple 1-2-3 formula to describe your own daily life. Step 1. Start with the day and the part of the day. Step 2. Add the person and what they like to do. And step 3. Finish your sentence with the exact clock time. Notice how perfectly these building blocks snap together. It's like a giant puzzle. Let's read straight across that first row very slowly. On Saturday, in the morning, I like to swim at 7 a.m. Section 5. Asking questions about time. What do and what's. To talk with friends and other people, we have to know how to ask them questions about their lives. To find out about someone else's daily routine, we start a question with the words, what do you? For example, you can ask, what do you like to do? Please read this question slowly with me. What time do you like to start work in the morning? We can also start questions with the word what's. What's is just a very short, natural way to say what is. It really helps us get exact details from someone. Let's pretend we're having a short conversation. I'll read the question, I'll pause, and then I'll read the answer. What's your favorite day to relax?
My favorite day is Saturday.
So, the most important point here is that you now have all the tools to build your very own sentences. You did a wonderful job today. Here's my final question for you. What do you like to do on Saturday at 10 a.m.? I warmly encourage you to practice building your own sentences using the blocks you just learned. Keep practicing, and I will see you next time.
If you like this video, write in the comments, subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and share the video with your friends.
And if you'd like to practice more, click the link up here to jump into the next English lesson.